I'm Dale Scheffler. Mark Nye is my partner. The name of the company is DJ Scheffler and Nye. We're a foundation drilling and shoring company. We've been working here in Malibu since 1991, but this is the first project that's been started since the fires. So kudos to the city of Malibu for getting started. This is the first job of many that are going to happen. And Bob here is a deputy inspector, and I'm going to let Bob explain to you what he does and what he might know about our company.
Well, I'm here to inspect anything structural where the city can't stand by and watch the concrete pour or anything structural on the job. They have a deputy inspector like myself come in and observe the pouring of the concrete. I take test samples, they get sent to the lab. I verify the mix design, the plans, but I also like to give kudos to the owner here who pushed and got this done in 8 months. He wanted it in 5 or 6 months, but
yeah, that's amazing.
We didn't think we were going to see any activity on the Coast Highway here for 2 to 3 years. Some people were saying 5 years, and we got it started in 8 months. So that's to the owner and Malibu City.
If there's a request by the deputy inspector or the engineer, we always want to make sure that we're doing what they're asking for. You've always helped in every little way, and I like to think that our crew is. And when we leave the job, it's normally cleaner than it was when we first got here.
We're a team.
Yeah, we are a great team.
Yeah,
such a pleasure.
Pleasure working with you since 1994, I think.
1994.
Yeah.